Hello, I'm really glad I'm in Algeria. Algeria and Bاتنة is a very beautiful city, and we met Kufi and Timgad and somewhere in Algeria that are really in Bاتنة very beautiful. I really wish that I could live in Algeria.
This is the first
Yes, it's the first time that I visit here, and I wish I could come to the next festival next year, the إيدمغاسن Film Festival and other festival in Algeria. Um,
you were
thank you very much.
thank you.
Do you want to speak about the movie?
Yes.
My movie is Morse. It's a short film in a competition, and I hope happen good thing for my film.
Thank you.
Thank
هذا البرنامج برعاية شركة بروتيليس لمواد التجميل. بروتيليس، الجمال للكل. زاير تيب، أول قناة إلكترونية في الجزائر.